How to fix iPhone Hotspot not working. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of your iPhone's personal hotspot not working. Whether it's not showing up, other devices can't connect, or there's no internet once connected, don't worry, I've got some easy troubleshooting steps to help you out. Make sure to watch until the end. Step 1. Basic checks. Before diving into deeper fixes, let's go over the basics. Stay close. Make sure the device you want to connect is within range of your iPhone. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Enable network selection. Go to Settings, Cellular Network Selection and ensure it's set to automatic. Make sure cellular data is also turned on. Step 2. Verify cellular data. Sometimes, hotspot issues are tied to your cellular data. Double check that your data plan is active, you're in an area with good signal strength. Cellular data is toggled off and back on from the control center to refresh the connection. Step 3. Make hotspot discoverable. If your hotspot is not showing up on other devices, go to Settings Personal Hotspot. Make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on. Or from the control center, long press the network card and enable the hotspot option if it's off. Step 4. Force restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear temporary system glitches. For iPhone 8 and newer, press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For older devices, refer to a specific guide for your model. Step 5. Check carrier support. If the hotspot option is missing or grayed out, contact your carrier to confirm that your plan includes hotspot usage. If needed, upgrade your plan or enable the feature through the carrier's app or website. Update. Carrier settings. Go to Settings in General, and if there's a carrier update available, you'll be prompted to install it. Step 6. Remove and reinsert SIM. Sometimes SIM issues can interfere with your hotspot. Power off your iPhone, remove the SIM, wait a few seconds, reinsert it, and restart your phone. Step 7. Maximize compatibility. iPhone 12 Plus. If older devices can't connect, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and enable Maximize Compatibility. This switches the hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz, making it easier for older devices to connect. Note, this may slightly reduce speed. Step 8. Manually set up APN. Sometimes changing the APN can fix hotspot issues. Go to Settings Cellular, Cellular Data Network. Scroll down to the Personal Hotspot section and enter your carrier's APN. You can find the APN settings on your carrier's website or by contacting support. Input any username, password, random ones will do for testing, then close and reopen settings. Step 9. Use USB or Bluetooth. If Wi-Fi isn't working, try connecting your hotspot using USB cable. Plug into your computer and enable hotspot. Bluetooth pairing. Connect via Bluetooth settings on both devices. Step 10. Reset network settings. If all else fails, go to Settings. General Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This will erase all Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings, but may solve deeper network issues. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and reconfigure hotspot settings afterward. Still not working? If the problem persists even after all steps, try resetting all settings or performing a full factory reset as a last resort. Visit the official Apple support page for more detailed help or contact Apple support directly. If any of these steps helped fix your iPhone hotspot, let others know in the comments which one worked for you. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.